This is our Books Before Gadgets 3K challenge in book sale, and we did this because everyone said the average price of a gadget is 3,000. So let's see what we can buy in book sale for 3,000 pesos to start your child's library at home. Now, paano pumili ng mga books para, let's say, for preschoolers? Alam niyo po, ang preschoolers mahilig yan sa animals. Kaya kukunin natin itong si Five Little Monkeys by Eileen Cristolo and Rosie's Walk. Tingnan niyo naman, 85 pesos lang ang average price ng preschool book sa book sale. You can also choose award-winning books like this one with very nice illustration and very simple text for preschool children. And for these hardbound books, it's only 150 pesos. You can also base the purchases to your child's interest. So, kunwari, mahilig siya sa mga witches o kaya Halloween theme. Makakakuha kayo for 85 pesos. Also, ito, favorite ko yung si Miffy. Ito ang favorite children's book ko. And it has a flip pictures. And it is only 150 pesos kasi this is hardbound books. Ito rin, isa ko ring favorite si Dear Zoo. Ang pag-iingatan nyo lang po sa book sale ay you have to check out all the pages because there are pages na medyo sira na o kaya damaged. So, hahanapin nyo po yung buo pa na libro sa book sale. So, this is 120 pesos. Now, if the average preschool book is 85 pesos, for example, alam niyo po bang for 3,000 pesos, meron na kayong 35 books. Now, let's go to the lower graders or upper graders na chapter books. Nako yan, si Geronimo Stilton, favorite yan ng pamangking ko. You can collect. Maganda rin po na may collection of books sila of the same author. Now, the average here is around 120 or to 160. So, this is also a nice picture book for younger kids because it's about penguins. I also like books na maganda yung art. Very simple, very colorful, and very simple sentences. Now, if the average book is 120 for your lower to upper grades, then you have 25 books for 3,000 pesos. Gusto ko rin itong si Diary of a Wimpy Kid for the lower graders. At saka yung ibang mga chapter books nila, mga 100 pesos lang. Now, in book sale, there are also coloring books. This is a great coloring book. It's coloring by numbers. You can just bring it along with your child with coloring materials. It's only 125 pesos. They also have compilation books like these dinosaur books and earth and space science and body books. Now, I also like children reading comics. Naalala niyo po nung nagko-comics tayo nung bata tayo because it's very visual and it helps in their reading comprehension. So this is our 3K challenge in book sale.